Take command of the road in the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Jeep prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 19 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.